Hey, hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all guys are doing great. So in this video, we are going to see transactions. So in the previous video, we have seen this problem where we have not this problem, this problem. So everything was perfect here. Like order service stated that, okay, I received the order created, inventory service said I received the stock, payment services said nobody asked me to process the payment. Okay, so now the business become inconsistent. There were no duplicates. Sequence number was correct. Producer IDs were correct. Partitions were correct. Everything about the idempotency also worked perfectly. Still, the system was broken. So this was the problem. Okay. So if you haven't, if you are having any doubt on idempotency or something, definitely you can watch the videos, and we have a lot of more videos on Kafka. So definitely you can go and watch the whole playlist. So now how this will be handled, because you might think like, okay, this all three events should be processed in a bundle, otherwise nothing should be processed. And this is the same thing that we are going to have take care of. It's transactions. So every transaction which are coupled in a business event, like all these events are related to a particular umbrella. Okay, order, there should be order created, inventory reserved, and then payment should be also initiated, otherwise do nothing. Okay, because if payment is not initiated, there is no means of reserving something in inventory, or the order creation also doesn't matter. So how we handle it in Kafka is like we bound it into a package which is called as transaction. So it's a similar thing that we do in all the programming languages. Okay, so we have begin transaction, and if all this will be successful, then we will commit, otherwise we will abort it. Okay, or you can say, if we want to move this transaction to atomic nature, so either do all or nothing. This is a famous code, like either do all or nothing. Okay, so if all the sequence, all the event will be triggered, and if all the event are handled perfectly from the leader broker, then we will do a commit, otherwise we will abort it. Okay, either do all or do nothing, that's all. Okay, so this is all about you can say a transaction. It's pretty simple. Okay, so whatever events we have who makes sense to be in a perfect business package, they should be in a group, then definitely we are going to treat them as a transaction. Okay, so like all the records which belong to one unit of work, make them visibly only in one entire operation. Okay, so idempotency means prevent duplicate records during retries, and transaction means make multiple records commit or abort as just one unit. Okay, that's all. But now, great, like we have ensured that multiple events are committed atomically, but committing events into Kafka doesn't mean that the business operation is complete, because now whatever producer is creating the event, we are perfectly storing it on Kafka. Okay, we have seen acknowledgement, delivery guarantees, we have seen idempotency, we have seen transactions, so that nothing should be broken. Okay, nothing should be duplicated. Everything should be in a transaction, every record which belongs to one unit of work should be in a part of transaction. Okay, so we are good, like we are now storing every event perfectly on Kafka, but someone still has to consume those events, because this doesn't make sense. Producer is creating it, Kafka is storing it, but someone will be consuming that event. So how does Kafka know whether a consumer has actually processed or consumed a message successfully or not? Okay, that's the important thing. You can think about it. Definitely we are going to explore this in the next video. So meet you in the next video, where we will be seeing how we can be confirmed, we be 100% sure that the consumer has consumed that particular events. So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And that's all. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.